What's wrong with the TV? Does Daddy need to fix it? Daddy, let's fix it. Daddy, what's wrong with it? Is the TV broke? Is Daddy gonna fix it? Did it break? Who's gonna fix it? Daddy is.
Yay!
Yay! Daddy's gonna fix the TV. Oh, it's still not working, huh? Are you frustrated? Playing with your toys now? That's better anyway. Is it still broke?